Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Deluxe Percy Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Percy Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it features a veiny shaft all the way around just here. It also features a ball sack at the bottom and a round swollen head at the top just there as well. Here are some useful measurements about the Percy Dildo. So the total length of this product is 17.5 centimeters. The insertion depth is 14.5 centimeters. The maximum diameter is 4 centimeters and the minimum diameter is 3.5 centimeters. So this dildo is unlike any other dildos you may have come across. It's made of a revolutionary material that features a flexible shaft that adapts to your body shape. The outside material is made of an ultra soft, silky silicone material, so it's very comfortable to wear during use. Whereas the inside features a firm yet flexible core made of Silik-Span. It's very soft to touch and it remembers your shape as well. As mentioned, it will adapt to your body shape. It also features a strong suction cup here as well, meaning you can place this on any flat, smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. This dildo is perfect for both vaginal and anal stimulation. It's also suitable for strap-on harnesses as well. Now, when using the Percy Realistic Dildo, we would highly recommend to use this in combination with a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please note you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy. We would highly recommend to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Deluxe Percy Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.